This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can open CSV files in Google Sheets. If you've ever gotten a CSV file, which stands for comma separated values, you can open those in Google Sheets. CSV files are, in the simplest terms, universal spreadsheet files. And all you need to do is upload that file to your Google Drive. You can do that by selecting New in the upper left-hand corner, selecting File Upload, locating the file on your device, and double clicking it to add it to your drive. Once it is there, double click on that and it'll open up this window. It's giving you a preview of what the file looks like. Go up here to the middle of the screen at the top where it says Open With, and you want to select Google Sheets. When you do that, that file will now open in Google Sheets with all of the data there. Interestingly, note that when you open up that CSV file, it's actually going to create a separate file that is in Google Sheets formats for you to edit. So while you can't necessarily edit that file in Google Sheets, it will create a Google Sheets version of that file for you to edit. So this video shows you how to open up a CSV file in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.